Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the photo in a raster editor and creating a duplicate layer so you never alter the original. Next, zoom to 100% and inspect the word's edges to see background texture and color. Once done, pick the healing or clone tool that best matches patterns. The spot heal is fast for simple backgrounds, while the clone is precise for complex textures. Make a small test stroke on the duplicate layer to confirm brush size and hardness before proceeding across the word. Now remove the word using small, deliberate strokes, working left to right or top to bottom so you preserve pattern continuity. Sample nearby clean areas with Alt or Option often, alternating between the clone stamp for structure and the healing brush to integrate texture and lighting. Make many low opacity passes, about 20–40%, so you can build a natural result rather than erase abruptly. Once done with base removal, use a soft, low-flow brush to refine edges and recreate subtle gradients that match the surroundings. Finish by refining texture and color to make the removal seamless. Use frequency separation or a gentle Gaussian blur selectively to match grain and noise, then dodge and burn small areas if lighting needs correction. Make sure to view at multiple zoom levels and on different screens or color profiles to catch mismatches. When satisfied, flatten or export a high-quality copy for sharing, but also save the layered file so you can reverse or improve edits later. If something looks off, undo recent strokes and resample. Small adjustments solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.